Greetings and welcome to your biological course or biological sciences course, I should say. This is Professor Febres, and the purpose of this short video is to help you navigate the course, explain where everything is and how to submit work. You should have already looked at my introductory video. Let's go quickly over the course schedule and detailed information. If you click on this link, it takes you to what I like to call the old syllabus. Right now, Valencia asks that we summarize what's in here, and that's the link that you guys see over here. Some of you probably already looked at that, but um, all the information for the course is in here. So I would like to go over it. So the first thing I want to talk to you is the book or the materials for this course. Very simple. It's just an access code which is available to be purchased through the online bookstore. Uh, Biology, the core third edition. That access code gives you access to the electronic version of the book, which you will need to answer questions on the exams and the quizzes. And it also gives you access to the assignments. There are assignments that are geared to help you comprehend the material and study the material and the concepts that you need to know or are set for you to learn on this course. If you had not purchased the access code, don't worry. What you do is you go to this link right here, My Lab of Mastering. Not gonna click on it, but I guarantee you when you click on it, it'll take you to the welcome page, and you will have the option to register for a trial period of 2 weeks. You do not have to pay for those 2 weeks. I think that should be enough for you to get the permanent access code, especially dual enrollment students. I know it takes a little while sometimes to get the funds to purchase the course material. So 2 weeks should be enough. If you do not get that access code within the 2 weeks, email me, or usually the dual enrollment office let me know, and we'll work something out. But that's working better. You should be able to get it within the 2 weeks. Going down here, this is important. No true deadline policy. May 14th. That means that you should do the work that is on the welcome module, and I'll go over it in a few minutes. And one of the assignments is you to review this syllabus, which we're doing. If you're watching this with me, you are reviewing the syllabus. So all you have to do is go and email me and let me know that you have reviewed and understand the syllabus. And so that takes care of that task. The other one is you need to introduce yourself to your classmates and to me. We learn better when we get to know each other a little bit more. And so I just have some questions in there, just to know who you are. So the next thing is withdrawal policy. Hopefully no one has to withdraw from this course. This course is really simple. If you stay on top of things, you will complete it. Number one, learning what you're supposed to learn, and with a good grade. I mean, all you have to do is just do your work on a weekly basis. Make sure that you plan accordingly. I think about 2 hours per week, maybe 3 hours per week. I mean, if you're quick, if you are not that quick, no more than 4 hours per week in doing work for this course. And so, and if you on a weekly basis, you're consistent, you complete your work, you should be okay. So then it has all the information about resources, help. I'll let you guys go through that. Just there's a bunch of links in there for a lot of information. Let's go over grading and makeup policy, because this is actually what gets you the grade for this course. And so I'm going to go down here. There are 4 exams. 100 points each one of them. The classwork activities, there are 13 of them, 20 points. Those are the ones you will need the access code in order to gain access, as they are on the Pearson's platform, which you access through MyLab and Mastering. And then there are 7 quizzes, 30 points each, just to check your understanding as we progress. And these ones are very important, and they're fun discussion forums, 20 points each. These are the ones where you have to post answering the question that is posed on the forum, and then you have to add some comments or add some questions to your classmates. I love this. You guys are awesome. Always just keep me current with all the information that is out there. I learn a lot from these discussion forums. I follow them, and so you'll see what I mean when we get into them. And then this is misspelled. I'm supposed to have an L in there. There's a final, not final, but final exam. And so once we get closer to it, I'll give you more information. But one thing you need to know is online, and we'll talk about it when we get closer to it, which will be towards the end of July. So this is the schedule of what you will be doing every week. So it goes from May 6th, which is the first day of this course, and it ends on July 30th. And so there are important date reminders in there for you to keep them in mind. So let's go to the modules, because that's how you access your work. So right now, when you got into this course, you had the home page with all the information, this video that you're watching, but I don't know, middle of May, the end of May, I will actually make it so that when you come into the course, you go straight to the modules, you do your work, just try to make it easy and painless. All right, let's talk about, so these are, this is the orientation module. Once again, a lot of this information is on the syllabus. So, and then this is actually the syllabus that we just went over. So this is where you start the course, week 1, and you notice that the headings, they have the dates and kind of like the title of the module. So for this week, the first thing you should do is, this is the discussion. That's the one I told you, where you get to introduce to your classmates. And then it tells you about emailing me. This I had to update. It's supposed to be May 14. So when you get to it, it'll be updated to May 14. For every module, you will have the PowerPoint presentations for the chapters that you are supposed to read or browse or review and get the information to answer quizzes, to work on the Mastering Bio. And when I say not Mastering Bio, but MyLab and Mastering, I'm sorry, assignments from Pearson. So this is the link to your first assignment. You do not have to go and click here. Once you register, right, you have to register first. Then it automatically connect the course to this Canvas course to the Pearson platform. And from that point on, all you have to do is click these links. It'll take you to where all the assignments are, and you click on the title of this assignment, Mastering assignment, which is Introduction to Life Science. And then using the PowerPoint presentations and or the electronic version of the book, you can actually answer those questions. And these are kind of like, they teach you what you need to learn. It's like a self-paced type of learn as you work type of assignment. Once you have done that, then just to check for understanding, this is quiz number 1. It has 15 questions, 2 points each question. These are comprehensive questions, I'm going to tell you right now, so they're not direct knowledge questions. You have to put 2 and 2 together to answer these questions. So keep that in mind when looking for the answers. And now the good thing about these quizzes is that when you click on, you have the whole week. You have May 6th to May 11th. You can click on it on May 6th. You can print it. You can take a picture. I don't care. I rotate quizzes. So then that way you can actually, it's like an open book, open note quiz. Once you finish answering all the questions, as long as you do it before May 11, 11:59 p.m., you submit it. And it should be okay. Now, you will have usually 2 weeks with quizzes and 1 week with exam. Exams are a little bit different. In this case, you just have this first week is quiz number one, and you immediately go to exam number one. But for exam number two, you get 2 weeks of quizzes, and then this week is exam number two. Let me tell you about the exams. Exams is for me to check, hey, you are learning the materials. So exams are a little bit different. Exams, you have to plan about 90 minutes, 1.5 hours of time, consecutive time. You cannot actually open it and then do other stuff and come to it because you're going to run out of time. These are time. They give you exactly 90 minutes to answer a total of 50 questions. And they're like summative assessments. So do not try to answer every question by looking at them or searching for them on the PowerPoint presentations and or the book. I do recommend that you study the material first, like if you were studying to take a test on a face-to-face setting, and then go ahead and take the test. The only difference is that if you forget one or two things, you are able to go to the book or the PowerPoint presentations or the notes and look for them. But you will not have time to look to all the answers for all questions. You will run out of time, so keep that in mind. Uh, and that's pretty much, I mean, I told you about then, you have like a discussion, I call it discussion threads or discussion forums, like you got 9 of them. So out of all, like, I think there are 14 weeks. No, this is a summer, so there's like a little less, 12 weeks. So out of those 12 weeks, you have 9 of those. Make sure that there are rubrics, and the rubrics is pretty much if you post your comments on time, you get the full score. Also, keep in mind that when replying to classmates, we are professionals, so let's make sure that we follow the rules of netiquette. Uh, but otherwise, that's it. This is an easy course. I mean, it is geared for you to learn basic biology. I mean, it is a fun course. I will keep in contact with you, especially during this first week. I will email you with more information, and I usually update everything great discussion forums and actually give you an update of what's coming up for the next week on Sundays. So you will always hear from me for the duration of the course on Sundays, usually Sunday mornings by noon. You will get an email and there will be an update on the announcements. So right now announcements are empty because I'm actually going over the material, but you will see that every Sunday there will be an announcement. And if there is something happening that is out of the ordinary, I will put it on the announcements and I will email you as well. I hope that this short video I hope I have gone through all of the information that you need to know in order to be successful. Once again, I'm Professor Febres. I'm actually happy that you're in my course. I am here to help. Any question you guys have, it doesn't matter. I mean, the smallest question, the smallest doubt, please do not hesitate to email me. I am constantly checking my email, so you will get a reply back, unless I'm sleeping and I go to bed like around 9:30 at night. So then at that point, you will not hear from me until the next day. All right. So thank you for listening and looking forward to work with you. Email you or email me. Bye.